Hey guys, thanks for coming here. So we have a new video over here. So this is a pouch survival gadget video where I am gonna explain you what you need to take when you travel to new places. Like people generally take charger, power bank and earphone maybe etc with them. So this is my setup, but this is a setup I recommend you. As you can see the playing card, you can compare the size with the playing card, and I can do the quick measurement of the pouch with the scale. So without much ado, let's start with our first item. The first item is a USB charger. A USB charger, everyone needs a USB charger. You need a USB charger. I need a USB charger. Let's go to the second product. The second product is an earphone or a spare headset. It's never a bad idea to take a spare headset with you. That always comes handy. So we have a third product is auxiliary cable 3.5 whenever you're going to travel 1,000 kilometer distance on your friend's car, and probably sometime your friend's car do not have a Bluetooth or a modern speaker stereo set on their car, so you can take that auxiliary. So 5 is iPhone lightning cable, which comes handy because your friends or you might have iPhone probably. And next is a flashlight, which takes a 18650 battery in it, and it is a waterproof light as well, so it comes handy probably, right? So we have few products by now. What's the next product? Let's go to the next product. So we have a lighter, jet lighter. Lighter comes always handy. You can use it whenever you're lost in the forest or whenever you get lost anywhere, and the knife comes handy too, just in case if you lost in the forest or just in case you get stranded on an island. Okay, this is all for the defending purposes. Okay, don't take knife everywhere. And the power bank, of course, power bank, you need a power bank and another power bank as well, and one of the power bank is 6,000 and one is 10,000, so it has a flashlight on it too, so it comes handy too. You can take one. And this is a toothpaste, the smallest toothpaste carrier I have ever seen, or whatever you call it. And there is a screwdriver with plus and minus reversible bit. And what comes next is a product, a pick. Probably some of your friends play guitar, right? And a Ninja wallet too. A Ninja wallet comes handy too. It has 17 in 1 or 13 in 1, something like that. So what's the next product now? So the band-aid kit, it's the 14th product probably. So it's always a good idea to take couple of band-aid with you if you are riding a bike and get hurt by some reason. You can use the band-aid. And what's next is probably some scissors, and I recommend you to protect the scissors tip by some thing, okay, like paper or some rubber or anything. So here is another light, that's infrared light. If you are really an adrenaline junkie, then you can get this. Okay, I cannot show something on the camera because it doesn't glows up on the camera, as it is infrared light. It is for night vision purposes. If you have a night vision goggle, then you can take it and probably see. And a headlight with the SOS. This is not mandatory, but you can keep it if you really want to go into the jungle. Okay, this come handy because all of these gadgets are waterproof. The best thing about this setup is the bag itself is waterproof. And the next product is what's that, man? That's a OTG. Okay, OTG. Whenever you go to the new places, you take a lot of videos and photos, and probably you suck on your storage. That's why I highly recommend you guys to take. And a credit card hitman knife probably, that can be useful as well for a safety purposes, maybe to cut vegetable or cut watermelon, apples. Tactical flashlight, you can bang somebody's head with this flashlight if they're gonna come to mess with you. Okay, that's how it works. So that's the 3 flashlight we have by now. So it's not necessary to take all of them. You can take any one of them or any one you have. It's not necessary it has to be like this. Okay, so what is the next item? OTG cable and extra charger. Okay, OTG cable is again a useful thing, you know. And another US Army knife. Okay, you can take any one of this knife, but just I'm showing, you know, my collection. That's it. So this is a foldable, and both the one on the bottom is not foldable, the one this is foldable, and you can knock out your enemy with this, you know, as you can see on the video. looks pretty cool. So there is a nail cutter as well, you can see on the video. And now we have a toothbrush, electric toothbrush, because we always forget to carry the toothbrush. Even we carry the paste, sometimes we forget the toothbrush. Toothbrush is something that we always forget, right guys? Toothbrush is something. So what else? Is that the last product of this show or what? Let's get to the next product. So we have a glue gun stick. You know why I'm including this glue gun, because it always comes handy. While I was traveling down on the motorcycle from long distance to my home, and then my helmet glass broke down, and I just melted the glue gun with the lighter and I stick the glass to my helmet, and that made me a little bit better when I was wearing it. So that's how glue gun works. And a Bluetooth headset as well. As you can see, you can take another Bluetooth headset as well, as I have included on the bag. So the full and final product is here. It's the waterproof Flintstone matchbox. Okay, waterproof Flintstone matchbox. What did I just said? Okay, that's it. I bought this 6 years back in Sydney. This can be even done with the metal thing or sharp thing, and you can just create the friction on its surface as shown on the video. And so finally we have this thing, and actually all the things are not necessary to take. Like screwdriver, it's not necessary if you are not into some DIYs. Okay, so the most necessary thing, and you don't have to take all the knives, you don't have to take flashlight. So it perfectly fits in the bag, and once we zip the bag, then it's gonna be waterproof, and probably it floats on the water. If you don't dip it inside the water, then it probably floats, and it's less than 1 kg. It's around 900 gram, and with a power bank it's like 1180 gram, and with a flashlight. So I'm just adding stuff to measure the weight. Okay, what additional we can carry inside the pouch. So that's it for today. You can probably take a look on my other videos as well. Thanks for coming, guys. I hope this video helps you well. Thanks for being here, and at the end here is the Truman Show.